Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of stuck on loading on the application of Telegram. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Telegram app. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.